So we're in Juneau, and it's raining pretty good. You know, light rain, but rain. So there's the Mount Roberts tramway. We decided not to do that because it's raining and it's all cloudy at the top. So we're just gonna walk around town here, see what there is to see. And welcome to Juneau. So this is Tracy's king crab shack. And that must be Tracy there, cooking the king crab. See the pieces there? See the boxes full? See the pots full? Can't see in them. Happy here, your Diamonds International. Just like Gulfport. Well, it would appear that the street is a lot busier than the dock because it has cars and a lot more stores. They go down about that far. And they go up that far. Look at that. So, Red Dog Saloon. There's a line of people trying to get in. So they're just doing a show up there. So the clock says it's 5:15, and it is not quite correct. Devil's Brewing Company. I wonder if Beelzebub is in there. Main activities down there. The ships are on the other side of this building out in the harbor. The street is getting much steeper. We're going where that guy just turned from. This is 4th Street. We're going up to 7th. So we're up to 5th, almost. And the street is getting much steeper. So there's Franklin, the street we're going up. And we're on 5th Street. Thought you'd want to see St. Nicholas Orthodox Church. So that's Cathedral of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. So we're over to Gold Street now. And we're going to go ahead and go up Gold Street. Remember, we're trying to get to 7th and we're on 5th. So we're at 7th and Gold. We're going to walk this way a little ways, and looks like it's uphill too, at least back over to Franklin. So we've come to the Wickersham State Historic Site. James Wickersham was an integral part of Alaska's political history as a pioneer judge. It looks like a big playground down there and a stairway. So I believe we have to go down this stairway. Although I'm going to look at my map one more time. They're metal stairs, so they're not slippery or anything. And go down another set of stairs. See, we were on those, came down from up there, across the street, and go down these. And there it is. Alaska Governor's Mansion. We're at the intersection of Dixon and Calhoun. And I want to show you that there's another one of these stairways leading down into the city. They got a totem pole here. There's the museum. Doesn't look very big. Here's the state office building. It looks pretty big. Of course, Alaska is the biggest state, so I guess it should have the biggest state office building. Not that that is. Oh, and this is the Capitol. So it looks like Alaska has no dome. Well, we've come down from around the bend there. We were up on top of, not that hill, but around and back here. And you can see the cruise ships here. Member of the cult. NEA Alaska, National Education Association. I'm a member of the cult. Yeah. To this point, from when we got on the dock over there, off the tender, this has been a mile. So it was only a mile around to here. So we're at Main Street and Egan Drive. That brings us back to the waterfront and the wooden dock. Remember before we got off over there by the Princess ship and walked to Franklin Street and walked up. So from Juneau, Alaska.
Pork monkeys out.
Bye.